Hello and welcome to Trading Mantras. Today we are going to explain another important concept which can surely create an edge in your day trading. That is previous day high, which also known as PDH, and previous day low, which is also known as PDL. Okay, you know what? Many professional traders do mark these levels on their chart. They mark PDH and PDL. PDH is nothing but previous day high and PDL is nothing but previous day low. They mark these levels before trading hours itself. Why they mark? To create some bias, whether to go buy or sell for that particular day. But being a retailer, what we do, we don't mark these levels, we don't have a proper plan. We just go and trade, right? For the sake of joy. Don't do such mistakes, okay? Think like a smart trader, okay? Think like a professional and mark these levels. These are very, very important levels for day trading. This is how the professional traders found their edge in day trading to successful for the long time, okay? PDH, PDL is very good concept for intraday trading in any instrument, stocks, indices, commodities, currency, anywhere you can use, okay? That's how important it is. Time frame to use this concept is, there is no specific time frame to use this PDH, PDL concept in day trading. You can use any time frame, but recommended time frame minimum 5 minutes. You shouldn't go below 5 minutes, okay? If you went below 5 minutes and try, then it will create a lot of noise, okay? There will be a lot of traps. Minimum recommended time frame is 5 minutes. You can use 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, but don't go below 5 minutes, okay? You can use 10 minutes to 1 hour. You can use any chartings, but don't go below 5 minute charts, okay? However, you are flexible with, you can use up to 1 hour. That is the first condition. This is PDH, PDL, reversal and breakout setup. Okay, PDH, PDL, reversal, breakout setup. Okay, we just mark PDH and PDL just before trading hours and then we look for entries. Okay, there are 4 scenarios we must consider to take entries. Case 1, which is PDH breakout. First case is PDH breakout. Okay, we mark PDH and PDL before trading hours. If price broken and closed above PDH, if price broken PDH level and closed above this PDH level, that candle must be 5 minutes minimum time frame, okay? Don't go below 5 minutes time frame. Then you can take an entry buy and your stop loss would be below this candle or below this level or below previous high. You can plan your stop loss as per your risk management, okay? We take buy here and put stop loss below this candle or below this level or below previous high, okay? And our target will be next resistance, okay? Or else you can trial your stop loss to maximize your profits. This is the first scenario, PDH breakout, okay? Write down, this is first case. There are 4 scenarios. First one is PDH breakout. If candle closes above PDH, we go for buy here and we put stop loss below, okay? And our next target will be next resistance, or we can trial our stop loss to maximize our profits, okay? Next scenario, which is PDH reversal trick. PDH reversal trick. PDH reversal. If candle closes below this previous day high, if price opens like this and closed below this, or else if price opens here and hits this level, made one red candle, in this scenario it can meet. Okay, if it closes below this PDH, you can put stop loss above this level or above previous swing high or above this level, and your next target will be the next support. Okay, this is the PDH reversal trick. Second case, this candle should be minimum 5 minutes. Okay, don't take trades and big candles. Okay, if you took the trade and big candles, then your risk will be very high. Try to take on small candles. Okay, candle should be closed below this level. Okay, then you can put stop loss above that candle or above previous swing high or above that level itself. Anyhow, you can plan as per your risk management, and your target will be the next support, or else you can trial your stop loss to maximize your profits. Okay, this is PDH reversal trick. Okay, let's move to the third case. Third case, which is PDL breakdown. PDL breakdown is nothing but previous day low breakdown. Third case, if price broken below this level, then we put stop loss above that candle or above this level or above previous swing high, then we can plan our entry here. Our target will be next support. Okay, this is previous day low breakdown. You understand? Okay, let's move to the fourth one. Fourth one is PDL reversal trick. This is fourth one. If candle closes above this level, price might open below these levels or might open here and come to this level and rejected by one green candle, closed above this level, then you can plan your entry here. Stop loss will be below that candle or below this level or below previous swing high. You can put however you want as per your risk, and you can place your target to the next resistance, or you can trial your stop loss to maximize your profits. This is the fourth scenario. Okay, these are the four scenarios you must remember. Okay, and don't forget to mark these levels PDH and PDL before trading hours itself. Okay, this can create an edge for you. Okay, let's move to the charts. First let's check with stocks, and then let's check with Nifty and Bank Nifty also. Let's begin with ACC here. Okay, this is the ACC chart. Let's go to last 1 month of ACC. Today is May 13th. April 1st. Let's begin with April 1st. Okay. To trade with ACC from April 1st, we just mark the levels. This is ACC. Previous day high is 2159 on April 1st and 2128 for the low. Okay, on the April 4th, I guess on Monday maybe, opened like some gap down, and price tried to close above this previous day low but failed by rejecting this candle. Okay, we just go short here. Our stop loss will be above this level. See, if you put stop loss here and if you entered on this trade, you might get some 1:1. Okay, for that day. That's how good is, right? Let's move to the next day. You must mark these levels before the trading hour only. Okay, you wait till around 11:20, then you get the opportunity to go for short. Okay. Let's check with the next day what is gonna happen. For the next day, what we do, we just mark these levels. This is the previous day high and this is the previous day low. We mark these levels. Okay, this is the first entry. If you could able to trade, if you can't trade this, just avoid, wait for the opportunity. Around 10:55 5 minutes candle is closed above previous day high, so you take an entry here. Your stop loss will be below this candle. Okay, your entry is here. You might get some 1:2 or 1:3 or 4, something like this. If you kept on trailing your SL, you might get hit SL. Okay, once this level is broken, if you kept on trailing your SL, you might get hit your SL here. Okay, then close your trade. Okay, that's how good is. Let's move to the next day. What you should do before the trading hours, you must mark the previous day high and low. This is the low for 5th and this is the high for the next day. If any one of these levels is broken, then price will go either upside or downside. If it is broken upside, then it will move upside definitely. If it is broken down, it will move downside definitely. Okay, initially it's tried to go up, but it's failed, and again it's broken here. If you entered on this candle, it's very huge, right? The risk and reward, so you avoid this trade. And this is also the high risk, so you might avoid. If you are a risky trader, you might enter here. One side, if you entered, you might got like some 1:0.5, which is not a good risk reward ratio. If you entered here, the stop loss should be very high, so here you got the good opportunity to go for the entry. Here you give an entry. If you entered here, the stop loss will be small and you can trail your stop loss, or you can plan here. This high is your target. This is the next resistance itself, right? You can plan this target, or you can maximize your profits by trailing your SL. You might get something like 1:45 and then reversed in the evening. If you kept on trailing your SL, you will be on the good profit side. You might get hit your SL here, around here or here. Okay, that's how you can trade. Let's move to the next day. To trade in the next day session, you must mark the previous day high and low. This is the low, the previous day, and this is the high of the previous day. You wait for the opportunity. All the day there is no opportunity given. Okay, so let's move to the next day. Next day, previous day low is this one, previous day high is this one. Okay, there is no opportunity given here. It touched this level. This is a PDL reversal trick. Okay, you can enter here on this candle and you trade all the move, means you will trade all the move. See the trade, how good it is. Okay, if you enter here, it is given like some 1:10 or 11, 1:1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1:6, 7. Okay, the risk reward is huge. That's how beautiful it is. That's how powerful. See, PDH and PDL reversal trick. Okay, here if you put short here, it might give you something 1:1 here again. Okay, this is enough for you though. One trade is used profits, just close that for that. Okay, let's move to the next day. Just mark these levels for the next day. Same levels valid. So given buy here, if you entered here, take an SL. If you entered here, take an SL again, 2 SLs. If you could able to take in another entry, it is another good opportunity for you. If you entered here, it retested this level, your stop loss will be here. See the move, it's a rocket. If you kept on trailing your SL, you will be in a huge profit. Okay, two SLs and huge profit. Okay, you might exit your trader here or here if you kept on SL, trailing SL. Okay, let's move to the next day. Let's mark these levels. This is the low and this is the high of the day. Let's check. There is no entry given. If there is no entry, just let it be. Okay, just look for entries. If it is given, let's go with. Here another VDL reversal trick. Here if you took the entry, your stop loss will be below this candle, might be huge. You should take, or else you can leave. It's your choice. Okay, if you took the entry here, stop loss will be here, this candle low, and see the move. So it's like 1:2, 1:3, 1:3 or 2 or 1:3, 1:4 between. Okay, again given another opportunity here. So 1:2. Okay, that's how good is it's working. Let's move to the next day. To trade next day, let's mark these levels. Previous day low and previous day high. Don't forget to mark these levels before entering into the trade next day. Don't do any blind trades. See, open here, try to go down, take an SL, some 1:1 here, some given again, short, all the day, it is concentrated in this region only. Okay, there's much, not a good day. Let's move to the next day. Let's mark the levels. This is the high and this is the low. This is the low for that day. Okay, if you mark these levels, huge candle, better avoid. Okay, you go by here, take an SL, again go short, see the move. Some like 1:6 to 7 risk reward. Okay, that's how good is. Let's move to the next day. Let's mark the levels for the next day. This is the high and this is the low. Check for the opportunity. Here around 12:30 given opportunity. If you put SL here, see the move. Some 1:3. Maybe more. Okay. Up to here, some 1:2, some 1:3. Okay. Let's mark the levels for the next day. This is the okay, this is the high and this is the low for the next day. Let's see. Here given short by closing this level initially. Okay, here given short early morning itself. Okay, take an SL, again you went by, take an SL, you went by, take an SL. If it is hitting like 2-3 consecutive SLs, better to stop trading for that day. Okay, just skip for that. If you are a risky trader, you can take an entry here and then see the move. Given more than 1:5 or 6. Okay, let's mark same levels, previous day low and previous day high for the next day. Hit this target, hit this level and rejected. Go short here. Some 1:1 given. Again broken this level. Take an SL and take an entry. See, some 1:2 is given. 1 SL, 2 SLs and 2 profits. Good day. Big profits and small SLs. For the next day, this is the low and this is the high. See, this is broken. Take an SL once. Again you went up. Small 1:1 given and came back. Another SL taken here, these levels, and another opportunity given here. Go for short, given some 1:2. Okay. Let's check with some April 25th. Okay, this is the high and this is the low. Open above, see the move. See the move, how good it is. You just put your SL just below this level. See the move. Okay, if you entered here on this candle, you exited here. End of the day. Okay, let's mark levels for the next day. It tried, didn't didn't break this level. So if you are a risky trader, it's better to avoid such huge candles to take in entries. Okay, look for the small candles for your entry. This is the actually a reversal trick, but this is the huge candle, right? So better avoid. Personally, I avoid such trades. Okay, huge candle. So no trade for that day. Let's mark the levels for the next day. This is the high. This is the low. There is no trade around. Let's mark the levels for the next day. So we mark this level, given the first candle itself an opportunity. Go short, put stop loss above this level, see the move. Okay. If you want to take entries here, some 1:1 bite you can find. If such profit has given, I will just close the trade for that day itself. Very good trade for me. Don't over trade, okay? If you met with your profit, just close for that day. Oh, okay, no trade for the next day. We mark previous day high and low for the next day. First candle itself given opportunity, but we don't take trades on such huge candles. We wait for the opportunity. Here given reversal trick opportunity, VDL reversal trick, went for buy, take an SL, go for short, see the move. Maybe one stop loss hit, but see the move. Some 1:2.5. Very good opportunity, right? Okay, let's mark the levels for the next day. Here first candle is given by take an SL, go for short, take an SL, and for buy. So 1:2 is given. Whatever you lost here, maybe if you even lost 1:1, you might get some 1:2. That means you will be in the profit of 1:1. Okay, rate of return given another opportunity. If you took here entry, is given some 1:1. Okay, let's mark these levels for the next day. Don't forget to mark these levels for the next day. Okay, before trading hours itself, you should mark. You must have the plan for the next day. Here given reversal opportunity, take an SL. If you put stop loss here, don't take your SL. Okay, if you entered again, if you miss out this one, you might enter here. Some 1:1 happen. Again another opportunity given. So 1:1 is given. Let's move. So very lengthy, so let's move to the quickly on different charts. Let's check with April 25th. This is Adani Green Energy. Here if you want to trade with 25th, high and low, we mark these levels. Okay, this is the high broken here. We'll go for buy. You stop loss below, see the move. Okay, mark high and low of the day. Reversal trick, some 1:1 given for the next day. The low and high mark, then no trade all the day. The next day marked high and low, broken here, reversed. Want to stop loss hits, just close for the day. Don't over trade. Okay, mark the high and low. Trade here, rejected. Go for short. If you put stop loss swing high, all the day in the downside itself. Okay, mark the high low for the next day. Don't take entries on huge candles. Okay, don't lose more money. Try to lose less and try to make more. So this is open gap down. In such scenarios, try to take entries close to these levels. Okay, don't try to take entries if the price is open away from the previous day high or away from the previous day low. Okay, this is opened far ahead, okay, far downside, so we don't take entry. Let's move to the next day. This is the high and this is the low. First candle itself is very huge candle. Given buy, taken a sell. If you go and short, another sell. Just close for that. If you are risky trader, if you take an entry, someone is to do given. This is the high and this is the low. Low trade given here. Someone is to entered here. Someone is to one. If you put stop loss just below this level, okay, someone is to one. If you quickly book the profit, it will give definitely the money if you are good at booking profits quickly. Broken here all the day, no trade around 3 o'clock given. Better to avoid such entries. I don't recommend around 3 o'clock trades. Okay. For the next day, this is the low. This is the high. This is broken all the day. See, such good move. Okay. Let's move to the next chart. Next stock. So since April 25th, this is the low and this is the high. If you are broken, you go for buy and taking a sell, go for short, put stop loss above this candle, see the move. Okay, that's the next day, small profit, it's okay. Next day, what is given short here, taken a sell, again buy. Sometimes it will be concentrated in some region for some long time. In such an analysis, if it hits 1 or 2 sell consecutively, then stop over trading. Okay, if it hits 2 consecutive SLs, better to close your trade for that day. Okay, if you want to give more risk, don't give more than 3 stop losses. If you want to take risk, don't give more than 3 SLs. Okay, if it hits 3 consecutive SLs, just close the trade for that day. Simple. If you are a experienced trader, or if you can manage the risk, if you are good, if you are okay with the loss you are making, then you can take an entry here again, small profit, and another small profit for that day ends. Okay, let's move to the next day and mark these high and low for next day. This is the high and this is the low. Next day itself, around 9:15, given short opportunity. If you miss this opportunity, you can short here. See all that it is downside sell. Let's mark the levels for the next day. Here 1 or 2 stop loss hits, given opportunity here. See the move. Let's mark the levels for the next day. This is the high and low. This is the high and low for the next day. You are given opportunity. See all the day on the upside. This is the low and this is the high. Tried, rejected, go short here on this red candle. See the move all the day. Mark the high and low let's see, all the day it's between these levels only, no entry. Let's mark high and low. So given opportunity all the day upside. If you exited here somewhere else for some 1:1, okay, making something is better than nothing, right? Just at least you are making 1:1 by following some display. You are given opportunity all the day upside, you will be in the profit side only. Okay, if you entered here, take in a sell. If you go short, take in a sell. If you went buy some profit, again you go short, big profit. It's all up to you if you want to take more trades or if you want to stop with 2 trades. Better if you are a beginner, better don't take trades with consecutive 2 SLs or 3 if you want to take more. Don't go more than beyond 3. Here given opportunity 1:1 given, again go short, some 1:1 given buy here, another opportunity 1:3 overall you would have been made. You are quick at booking your profits. Given short, taking a sell, given buy throughout the day. See how good it is. Here's more. Let's mark the levels for the next day. We don't take entries on such candles and it's all the day between these levels. Okay, that's on Ambuja Cements. Let's move to another stock. Avenues. It works on everywhere. Okay. Select few stocks in Nifty 50, your favorite stocks, and you can trade on those only. Okay, if you want to trade on more stocks, and then you can more stocks beyond Nifty 50 and you can trade as per your wish. Let's move to the April 25th scenes. There's the price around. Okay. To trade on 26th April, mark the levels of April 25th. Mark the levels, 1-2 SL hits, we close the trade for that day. If you are a risky trader, you can enter here and book 1:1. If you enter here, 1:1. Let's move to the next day. I'm going quickly. I think you understand how to deal with this. Go short, take an SL, buy rent some 1:1. Go short, some SL, taken buy here some 1:1. That's all. It's very narrow area, it's concentrated for that day. Next day, given buy on the first candle, put stop loss below this only, below this level only. Don't put stop loss here if you want to take an entry, or else avoid the entry. Else you can take an entry here on this candle by rejecting this level and book 1:1. Again, given buy here 1:1. Given short, some small profit. Given buy and some 1:1. Late entries, I don't recommend late entries. This is the low and this is the high. If you entered here, put stop loss below. Actually, our entry is once the candle is closed above this level. Okay, we wait for the candle to close. So we don't take entries on this candle. If you want to take an entry, put stop loss here and just below this level, not below this. Okay. If you entered here, some 1:2, even not 1:1, this is not a good trade. You might lose something. If you take an entry, take an SL. If you entered here, some small profit. Okay, let's move to the next day. This is the low and this is the high. Use candles, so we don't take an entry. This is the same day, right? 320. Yeah, same date. So we don't take an entry on this candle. Mark the levels. Next. This is high and low. Go for short, take an SL, went for buy, see the move. Good profit. Okay, given short here, the second candle itself, see them all the day downside. Mark the levels for the next day. High and low. Broken, some 1:2, broken, so 1:2, 3, some 4, this is not 2, 3, so 4.55 level, risk reward. Mark high and low for the next day. Given around 215, given short, put stop us above and see the move. Lose over, highly volatile move. Okay, kept on trailing yourself to maximize your profits. As simple as that. We avoid such entries. Is use candle. If you still want to take entry here, better to wait till price to reach this level. Then once you see the rejection bar, then you can plan your entry. Else, if you are a risk trader, if you want to take the risk, then you can trade. Putting stop loss here, this is huge. This is no mean of taking trade here. I just personally avoid such trades. So we just sit idle for that day. We don't take any entries. Good day, but it's not in our list. Okay, this is not our trade. It's like high risk, low reward trade. Mark high low for the next day. In such big bars, we don't know where to put stop loss, so we better avoid. Next day, given short here on the red candle, you put stop loss above that candle, see the move. Some 1:3 given. Very good day for us. This is a high, this is a low. Next day, first bar is very huge. We don't take an entry. All the day is ideal. Okay, let's check with next day. If you miss it here, you can enter buy. Rejected, given short, and taken a sell. You took the small profit. Then given short here, some good profit for the day. You entered on this candle, you might have taken a sell here. Again, you can enter, or else you can close the trade if it hits 3 consecutive sells. That's way better to avoid such days if it is in highly volatile day. Trading is the probability. You know that, right? No holy grail around. You must take trades based on some rules. Then only you can survive for long, else you can't. Mark to high and low, this is a latency, we don't increase, you just don't have the trade for the next day even. Okay, that's all. Now let's move to the Nifty. I showed you on the stocks. I will show you how it works with Nifty. Okay, let's begin with April 25th for Nifty also. Prices. To trade on next day. We mark high and we mark low. Almost close to this level came. A bit risky, you can trade here. Stop loss below. Some given 1:3, 1:4.5 something. Mark low. Put a sell above. Given by earlier and then chart. Given by again chart. 3 SLs. Given sub 1:6. Again given by here. Taken SL. Late afternoon given, don't take anything. It hits 3 SLs, just close for the day. Given short, taken SL, short, some profit, and given by here, see, huge profit. See how good it is. Some 1:11, 12. Sometimes it gives the money enough for all the week, okay, in one day. Mark high and low, go buy, take an SL, go short. This is like PDH reversal, some 1:1 given. Went for buy, take an SL, go for short, take an SL, some 1:1 here, given short here around 2 o'clock. See the big move, some 2, 3, 4, 5, some 1:5.5. Use profit. Mark high low, here given buy, late afternoon, better avoid, no trade for that day. Mark previous the high low for the next day. This is PDH reversal trade. If you entered here, see the move, some 1:4 trade, use trade. If you take your entry, take an SL, again go short, so 1:2. You will lose some 0.5 here, you will make some 1:2, 1.5 profit here, 4 something, 1:1, 5.5 all the day. The overall profit would be around approximately. Next day, went for short, take an SL, by week of this candle. If you re-enter here on this red candle, some good profit you might have made. Okay, let's mark high and low for the day. The 5th, no trade throughout the day. Let's mark high and low. No trade because it's opening gap up and gap down. If there is no trade, just don't try to pressurize yourself to find a trade. Okay, if there is a trade, then only take the entry. And for buy breakout, only break inside the PDL reversal. Some if you entered here, some 1:2. Here some good profit given. Okay, this is some small trade, 1:1 given. Late afternoon, don't take entries. Always plan 1:1 or 1:2 as per your risk reward. If you are putting like some 25 points risk, plan for 50 points, 75 points, like that. Don't be more greedy. Okay? If it is kept on going in favor of you, then you can plan. This is the reversal trick. Go for short on this red candle. This is the move given. In such days, it can change your game. Okay, 1:2 some 10 or something. If the risk is like some 25-30 points, this is how good it is. Some 200 points more. Mark high and low for the next day. Repeat the same. Broken here, see the move. Okay, just some one. If you put the stop loss above this candle, some 1:2. Plan your risk reward by your SL. Okay, broken, this is your risk. If you entered here, 961, some 90 points risk, 90, 1:2 trade. Mark as usual, wait for the opportunity. Broken, reversal, broken, SL, take an SL. See the move. If you entered here again, some 300 points. It's a huge move. If you lost here some 75 points, this will make you your day profitable. Let's check with Bank Nifty also. Then let's wrap up the session after Bank Nifty. Okay, that's how you have to backtest until you get the confidence. Okay, if you didn't backtest, you will never get the confidence. Then you can't go live and you can get the money. Need backtest. You just practice to make it more perfect. Do paper trade at least for 1 month and then only go for the life you are beginner. Take money. Don't wow trade and begin with 1 lot only. Okay, don't go beyond even 1 lot. This is April 25th chart, Bank Nifty, we mark the levels of previous day high and previous day low. If it is broken here, touched this level, some 1:1 given, again touched, some profit. We mark the high and low here for the next day. No trade for that day. We mark high and low. Here given chart, some small profit given by, very good profit. We mark high, we mark low. Rejected here, first candle itself, some small profit. Broken here, taken a sell, again taken a sell, here given this profit. We entered here on this candle. See the move, some 500 points. Use day for you, particular day. Trying to go up, this is huge candle, we better avoid. Okay, go short, taking a sell. It hits like some consecutive sells, better close for that day. Okay, don't over trade. I personally avoid such days, like if it hits consecutive 2 or more 3, I will just close and will sit idle. Even it gives opportunities, I won't enter. That's how you have to follow. Here 1 or 2 SL hits, some good profit given. And for the next day, we mark the levels, see the move given, very good opportunity. Let's mark the levels for the next day. No trade for all the day. It's concentrated between. So due to gap down, no entry for the next day even. Mark high and low for the next day. Given opportunity, went for buy, some 1:1, 2. Given short, some 1:2. Okay. Don't take entries late afternoon. Fresh entries. Here given buy, some 1:1 happen, 1:1 to 2 happen. Late afternoon, no trade. Some 2 trades happen here, 1:1, 1:2. Market high, low. Real reversal. Given buy. See the move, some 1:10, 8, 10 like that. Such a huge day for you. Let's mark high low. Given short, use move. See, closed below and it's kept on going down. It's between these levels and broken in the late afternoon. We don't take any interest personally on such particular days. Okay. That's all guys. This is about PDHL and PDL reversal breakout concept. Do backtest and paper trade to master this. If you are a beginner, then only go live. Okay, I don't recommend to go live by Monday itself. If you are a beginner, you need practice. Practice only can make you perfect. Okay, alright, that's all for today. If you like the content, please like, share and comment, and share with your friends also. Please subscribe to channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. Thank you guys. Have a nice day. Happy trading.